Welcome to Tech Programming CSIT. Very good evening to all our viewers for joining with us. You all have connected with us through our YouTube channel. So welcome to today's session. In this video session, we will discuss about the significance of investing in education and how it plays a pivotal role in shaping the future. So let's begin by understanding what you mean by nurturing bright minds. Nurturing goes beyond traditional education. It involves fostering an environment where individuals can not only acquire knowledge but also develop critical skills, creativity, and a sense of purpose. We believe that every individual has unique talents and potential waiting to be unlocked, and the process of nurturing bright minds is about providing the guidance and resources necessary for that potential to flourish. How to nurture young minds for better tomorrow? By providing a safe and supportive environment for children to explore their interests and talents, to encourage curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking through engaging and stimulating activities, to foster a growth mindset and a positive attitude towards learning and challenges. Teach children the values of empathy, respect, and collaboration. Expose children to diverse perspectives and culture, to equip children with the skills and knowledge to cope with challenges and uncertainty. Inspire children to take action for social and environmental causes, to celebrate children's achievements and strength. Nurturing bright minds start with giving kids the chance to explore and ask questions. Imagine a garden we want to water the curious seeds in their minds so that they can grow into big, smart trees. Just like we care for plants, we need to care for our little ones. Encourage their curiosity by answering their questions and helping them discover the world around them. Next is reading. Reading is like magic for young minds. Books are treasure chests filled with stories and knowledge. When we read for kids, we are opening up a world of imagination and learning. Now let us talk about fun experiments. You don't need a fancy lab for this. Simple activities like mixing color or watching a plant grow teach kids about the world in a playful way. Baking cookies. Oh yes, it is not just about making yummy treats. It is a chance to explore measurements, science, and creativity in the kitchen. Plus, you get to enjoy about delicious cookies afterwards. Next is music. Music is like a magical language. Whether it's banging on pots or playing a tiny guitar, it is about expressing feelings and having fun. Music can make learning joyous and unforgettable. Drawing and coloring. It is not just about inside the lens. It's about expressing ideas and feelings. Grab some crayons, let the imagination flow, and you will be amazed at what comes out on paper. So nurturing bright minds is about a mixture of curiosity, reading, fun experiments, cooking, adventures, music, and artistic creations. It is like planting seeds today for a garden of amazing possibilities tomorrow. Now let us consider why investing in education is crucial for the well-being of individuals and society as a whole. Education is the cornerstone of personal and societal development. It empowers individuals to make informed decisions, pursue meaningful careers, and contribute positively to their communities. A well-educated population is the foundation of a prosperous and harmonious society. As we look ahead, we must recognize that the future is shaped by the minds we nurture today. The skills, values, and knowledge imparted into the current generation will determine the trajectory of our collective future. Nurturing bright minds is not just an investment in the present, it is an investment in creating a future where innovation, compassion, and progress thrive. Now let us discuss the current state of education and identify the key elements that contributes to nurturing the potential within each individual. Now that we have understood the importance of nurturing bright minds, let us explore the key elements that contribute to this process. We begin with an essential foundation, early childhood education. Early childhood is a critical period for brain development and lays the groundwork for future learning. Initiatives and programs aimed at enriching this phase can significantly impact a child's cognitive, emotional, and social development. Moving beyond traditional academic approaches, we recognize the need for holistic learning. Education is not just about acquiring knowledge, it's about fostering creativity, critical thinking, and overall personal development. Encouraging a holistic approach ensures that bright minds not only excel academically but also develop the skills necessary for success in a rapidly changing world. Technology in education. In our technologically advancing world, integrating technology into education is crucial. It opens up new avenues for learning, making education more interactive, accessible, and tailored to individual needs. However, it's essential to address challenges to ensure inclusivity and prevent a digital divide. Balancing technology with traditional teaching methods is key to a well-rounded educational experience. Nurturing bright minds require a strong support system. Teachers and mentors play a pivotal role in guiding students, not just academically but also in their personal growth. Additionally, parental involvement and community support create a holistic environment where students feel encouraged and empowered to explore their potential. So, in conclusion, we can say the key elements of nurturing bright minds include early education, early childhood education, holistic learning approaches, the integration of technology, and robust support system. As we move forward, we will delve deeper into addressing inequalities in education and explore some of the success stories that exemplify the positive impact of these elements. Bridging the urban-rural education gap. Now we have discussed the key elements of nurturing bright minds. It's essential to address the existing disparities in education. One significant challenge is the urban-rural education gap. Access to quality education should not be determined by geographical location. Initiatives aimed at bridging this gap ensure that every child, regardless of where they live, has equal access, has equal opportunities for learning and growth. Another critical aspect of addressing inequalities is tackling gender disparities in education. Unfortunately, in many parts of the world, girls are still face obstacles in accessing education. Promoting gender equality in education involves dismantling barriers, challenging stereotypes, and creating environments where both girls and boys can thrive academically. Access to education for underprivileged communities. Socioeconomic factors often create barriers to education, leading disparities among underprivileged communities. It's crucial to implement targeted strategies to uplift their communities and provide equal educational opportunities. Initiatives that address economic inequalities and focus on specific needs of underprivileged students contribute significantly to creating a more inclusive educational landscape. Now, let us shift our focus to the positive impact of addressing inequalities. We will explore some successful stories that highlight the transformative power of inclusive education. These stories showcase individuals who, despite facing initial educational challenges, overcame obstacles and thrived, underscoring the importance of creating a level playing field for all. In conclusion, addressing inequalities in education is a crucial step in nurturing bright minds for a better tomorrow. As we move forward, we will explore global initiatives and delve into the challenges and solutions that pave the way for a more equitable educational landscape. Global initiatives for education. In our pursuit of nurturing bright minds and fostering equal access to education, it's essential to examine global initiatives. Various organizations, governments, and NGOs are actively working towards creating positive changes on an international scale. These initiatives often focuses on providing resources, expertise, and support to regions facing educational challenges, contributing to a more interconnected and collaborative approach to education. One key theme that emerges from successful initiatives is the power of collaboration and partnership. When organizations and governments come together, they can leverage resources and expertise more effectively to address complex challenges. Partnership between governments, NGOs, and private entities can create synergies that leads to sustainable improvements in educational system worldwide. Governments, non-governmental organizations, and businesses play unique roles in shaping the educational landscape. Effective policies, targeted interventions, and corporate social responsibility initiatives all contribute to nurturing bright minds. By understanding and appreciating the distinct roles of each sector, we can create comprehensive strategies that address the multifaceted challenges in education. While global initiatives are crucial, they come with their set of challenges. Cultural differences, bureaucratic hurdles, and varying levels of economic development can pose obstacles to the successful implementation of educational programs on a global scale. Now, we will discuss the challenges and potential solutions to ensure the success and sustainability of these initiatives. From inadequate infrastructure to outdated teaching methods, these challenges can hinder the development of a robust and inclusive educational system. To overcome these obstacles, we must explore and implement sustainable solutions. Education is a dynamic field, and our approaches must evolve to meet the changing needs of learners and the demand of rapidly advancing world. Sustainable solutions may include policy reforms, investment in teaching training, and the integration of technology to enhance the overall learning experience. Thank you for joining with us on this journey to nurture bright minds. If you enjoyed today's session, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more joyful learning adventures. Until next time, keep shining bright. Thanks for watching this video.